Yes, now I'm sharing the screen. Yes, our question is, define a class salary. Means name of the class is what? Salary. Then the instance variable or data members are name, address in the string, and double phone, month salary, and income tax. See over here, in usually program, if we are having the phone number, then we have to take this phone number into the long. ओके जब भी ऐसा नहीं मेंशन हो डेटा टाइप फोन नंबर के लिए, तो यू हैव टू टेक फोन नंबर इनटू द लॉन्ग डेटा टाइप, राइट? बट इफ इट इज मेंशन इन द प्रोग्राम, सी यहाँ पे डबल मेंशन है, वैसे डबल का फोन नंबर से कोई सेंस ही नहीं है, बिकॉज फोन नंबर ऑलवेज बी इन द इंटीजर वैल्यूज, ओके, मीन्स होल नंबर ही होता है, ठीक है? बट इफ इट इज मेंशन डबल, तो फिर हमें वो डबल ही लेना चाहिए. Then in the accept, input name, address, and phone. Input name, address, and phone number, and monthly salary. Okay, means name, address, phone number, and monthly salary we have to input. Then void main, sorry, void compute. So in void compute, if month sal is less than 1,75,000, then tax will be 0. तो इनकम टैक्स हमें क्या देना है? 0. ओके, एल्स 10% ऑफ exceeding salary of 1,75,000 means 10% tax you have to pay if salary is greater than 1,75,000. Okay, but 10% of what? 10% of the salary? No, 10% of exceeding salary than 1,75,000. Again pay attention, 10% of exceeding salary of 1,75,000. It means ये 1,75,000 से जितनी ज्यादा सैलरी है उसका 10% टैक्स देना है. ओके, understood? Means the salary more than 1,75,000, that's 10% you will calculate. You will not calculate the 10% of 1,75,000. You will calculate the exceeding amount, then this amount, 10%. Understood? Now clear the question. I hope everyone's question is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Fine. Now,
Yes, miss.
now in void show to display all the data members. Now see how we will solve this program. Let's start. And the student who are solving the program and sending me every day, that's very good. But who are not sending, just try to do that. String, name, address, write it with me. Then in the double,
Phone.
yes, usually phone हम किस में लेंगे? लॉन्ग में, बट इट इज गिवन, दैट्स वाई. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं. Yes, after the phone, next is what? Month salary and income tax. See that variable name, the same variable we can use. Fine. Then after it, void except. See, it is not void input, it is void except. Void except. So in the void except, here no parameters are given, so you will use scanner. Scanner sc equals to new scanner
system.in
dot in. Okay, and in the first line, import java dot util dot star. Right? Yes. What we have to input? What all value we have to accept? Name, address, phone number, and month salary, not income tax. Okay, that you have to calculate. So system dot out dot print ln, enter your name, equals to sc dot next, then enter your address. Purposely I have given that address because address you cannot accept in the next. Okay, if you are using the next, it means you will accept the value in the one word only. Okay, we'll see if it will execute, then it's very good. Otherwise on the notebook you have to write next line only for the address. To accept sentence or to accept
हम एक ही system.out.println में तीनों एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes. See, system.out.println is only the message. Except तो इनसे होता है. Next line, next, ये method से. Okay, so as you want to give the message, as appropriate you want to give, you can give. But appropriate manner तो यही है कि एक एक करके input लेना चाहिए. So enter your monthly phone number. Now in this case, next double. Keep remember, next double.
मिस आपने वो चेंज नहीं किया है, नेम की जगह एड्रेस आना चाहिए.
Wait, beta. Yes, that variable should be address. Next double, हाँ. क्या mistake की है? Few mistakes are done by you that few student has made this mistake. Double D capital नहीं लिखा है. Especially Maurya. Listen, what you will do, Maurya, whenever you are writing the program, so don't write on the notebook. Write on the computer. Okay, use the Blue J. By that you will able to understand your mistakes. You are making a lot of mistakes, a lot of syntactical mistakes. Okay, this double D capital. Then monthly salary.
फोन होना चाहिए ना?
फोन होना चाहिए. Yes, correct. Good. Enter your monthly salary. Okay. Variable which I have declared MON underscore cell. Okay. Variable I will use. Now input is done. Yes. Now here we will not accept the value of the text. That we have to calculate. Right? So method in which we are calculating, that is void. What is the name of the method? According to the question, we will give the name.
Compute.
Compute. Okay. Compute. again no parameter. अभी यहाँ पर void compute. So what I will do over here, int, no, before that if month cell less than equals to 1000, sorry, 1,75,000, then value of the tax, what the variable we have taken, inc tax, okay, underscore tax equals to 0.0d. Keep remember 0.0d, right? Then after it, else inc underscore tax equals to 10%. So what I will write?
0.1.
0.1D.
0.1. Okay. Multiply by what? Now tell me, 1,75,000. Is it?
Monthly salary
No,
minus
miss.
1,75,000.
Then yes. Month cell minus. Okay. Means whatever user is going to be inputted in the monthly salary, in month salary, that will be your value, and in that value you will subtract 1,75,000, then the remaining amount will be calculated as a 10%. Okay, that will be your tax. Now see, in this question they didn't mention that how much salary he or she will get. Okay, only tax we have to display कि कितना टैक्स कैलकुलेट हुआ है, हमें सिर्फ वही डिस्प्ले कराना है. ओके, तो इसलिए only the tax calculation will be there. Like yesterday's program what we were doing, amount to be paid, तो उसमें से हमने डिस्काउंट को डिडक्ट किया था, बट यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट या फिर ये टैक्स को डिडक्ट करने की जरूरत है क्या? नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट मेंशन इन दी प्रोग्राम. राइट, डिफरेंस समझे दोनों में कि कब हमें डिस्काउंट को या ऐसे टैक्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है और कब हमें नहीं करना पड़ता. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पढ़ के समझ में आया? ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट डिस्प्ले. Third method is what? Void show. Okay. So here, void show. देखो इसके पहले जो प्रोग्राम थे उसमें इनपुट डिस्प्ले इस तरीके से था, मगर यहाँ पर इनपुट नहीं है, यहाँ पे एक्सेप्ट था, शो है, तो ऐसे. Entered details are as follow. Right, so first detail, name. In tabular format also you can display or as you want. Then plus name. Okay, see here only Cyan has used, I think, this \n. Then after it, address. In double quotes. Don't do annotations. Wait, I'm stopping from here. Address. plus what the variable I have taken? Address only. Okay. Then, okay, we'll do this much only. Otherwise, this line will be much longer. So I'm not going to do that. In the next system.out.println, we'll display the rest of things. Control V. Phone number. Phone. So I can use. Match the variables. Phone. Then salary. So variable for the salary is what? MON. Write with me.
Slash sale.
Good. Okay. Then after that, I'm writing in the next line. Income tax or tax. Calculated tax plus INC underscore tax. The same variable? Yes. Now next is public static void main. Object name. Salary is the class name. So salary obj equals to new salary. Right? Salary is the class name, obj is the object name, and after that obj dot
Miss S capital आएगा.
Here I have given in the class salary, that is small. Okay, I'll make the changes. Salary as capital, and in the program also I have to make it salary except, then compute. What was the second method? Compute.
हाँ miss.
Then obj dot show. Yes, I have to make the changes here also. Salary. Now return the program. Okay, now we'll execute it.